press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily. Hi guys, I am Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup 101. And in today's episode, I am going to be sharing with you guys my updated contour and highlight routine for 2021. So we're going to start by concealing our under eyes and any other dark spots or red spots that I have on my face. Now I'm going to contour my face. So the trick is that I'm going to use a cream contour before my foundation to avoid any harsh lines and get that flawless looking skin. So now for my nose, there is this new trick that I recently learned. I am going to use my cream contour all over my nose, and then using a lighter concealer, I am going to highlight the bridge of my nose and the sides of my nose. Now coming to highlighting the rest of my face. So generally I would make two big triangles on my under eye to highlight them. But because 2021 is all about that snatched look, I am going to concentrate on the parts that I want to lift. So now for the highlight around my eye area, I want that fox eye lifted look. So I'm going to use a brush to blend out the edges, and for the rest of my face, I'm going to use a beauty blender. Now lastly, I'm going to top this very lightly using a medium coverage foundation. Make sure you do not use a full coverage foundation because that will cover up all the highlight and contour that we just did. Now I'm going to set my under eye using a banana powder. Now I'm going to finish my base by adding some bronzer and blush. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Also let us know in the comment section below what other videos would you like to see, and because you love POPxo and our content so much, I got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on all these amazing products just by signing up for the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and also get ₹150 off on MyGlamm products? The link is going to be in the description box below, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.